kasubanwe numera para naito dianare boro lukolosek International Museum Day kesi etolo soko ibuga gulubian kotoma ako nakirat boishon to dianare boro lukolosek kesi rasi airomunete walk. President Museveni ngesa boikit atupiton ke Jeska Alupo kwa penango si bibi kasuban kanum. Abu Alupo ireni kiboro lukolosek loyanga untositunga aito dianara subanu. Abu ngesi Elip Abarak Aitopol Aboisio Elatok nuamuro kitunga ka aiboenikin Aboisio shisha taritunga iengete komushia mskere.
I encourage the local communities to come up with handcrafts unique to their clans or totems that can be sold at these heritage touristic sites. I therefore call upon the private sector players to invest in the development of the untapped tourism resources in northern Uganda, especially Fort Patiko and other historical sites, rock art sites in eastern Uganda, to mention but a few. I equally urge you to put educational recreation services in all museums located in the entire region. This way, we shall make our country attractive not only to international tourists, but also to domestic tourists. The improvement of connectivity through the development of tourism roads, the revival of the national carrier, Uganda Airlines, and the conservation of our heritage, as well as the promotion and showcasing of the potential of museums, will diversify Uganda's tourism offering, thus accelerating the national socio-economic growth. I therefore implore new cities like Gulu, Lira, Arua, and Soroti, Fort Portal, among others, to develop leisure and sports facilities that accommodate infrastructural developments of museums, to enable tourists to explore the country, and equally helps in showcasing the cultural values of this country. This is why our national theme is Museums, Our Heritage. And it is now my honor and pleasure to close the celebration of the International Museum Day 2023.
Okay. 2 and 1.
Eminisalo Elatok kaitiang lais kanal tom butime ngese tata miebem e polo kakira no Elatok noi kota maina peta kechenuka NRM.
Purpose for celebrating this year's International Museums Day in Gulu City is to lay the foundation for cities in Uganda to embrace developing museums as products for cultural tourism attraction.
Agirigira na peti communisuelo Elatok Dorin katusime ngese abala esipokitai soroti museum tamamisire na angon kanuitunga kosodiebem ipua kalupokodam kanu Elatok konyere rock paintings kam kongoro kadisukalo kumi kakoro kopalisam komuge kabukedea kakapir Kongora district. Dilax Emi Alamu, Kanuka TV East.